This is Ron and I'm back again with a brand new video here on my channel, Rock and Ron. So for today we're going to do a DIY Gundam dock, Gundam Hangar, Gundam Stand, or Gundam Diorama, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, awesome. So what we got right here are some plastic collapsible containers that I bought from a hardware store. Alright, so the thing is, once again, these containers are foldable and we're going to make this look like a Gundam hangar. So the thing is, my idea is I'm going to put the mobile suit in the middle like this. Alright, and I'm going to further detail up these plastic containers to make it look like a Gundam hangar. Alright, awesome. And the thing is, the holes that you see right here, this will give you the option to put some attachments so that you can hang your weapons and armor like this, and that will look awesome. Alright, so once again, I bought this from a hardware store. So to be exact, it's a Daiso Japan store, and this is only for 200 yen each, or like $1.50 each, which is cheap and affordable. And these are available in different sizes. So what I got right here is the small and the extra small sizes, which are suitable for real grades and high grades. So the thing is, if you do have the master grade, you can buy the medium one, and for the perfect grade, you can buy the large one. Alright, and the thing is, there's this available kit for G-Dock, which is the high grade G-Dock kit, but the thing is, that will cost you 2,500 yen, which is kind of expensive. So if you're on a tight budget, this is a great alternative idea, because this is way cheaper. For 200 yen, you can have a Gundam stand. All you gotta do is to paint this and further detail up this plastic containers to make it look more awesome. And I'm going to detail up this Gundam hangars with some paints. So I got this Bosnia yellow paint right here, and I'm going to use this later. And also I'm going to use this flat clear paint from Bosnia. And the purpose of this paint is to eliminate the plastic look on this plastic containers to make it look more hobby grade. And also I got the silver metallic spray paint from Bosnia, and I already used this paint on the other container and it looked awesome, as you can see right here. Alright, and to further detail up this Gundam hangars, I'm going to use some permanent markers, alright, right here. And also, we're going to light up this Gundam hangars by using my bicycle lights that I use on my RC cars. Alright, that will look awesome. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and work on this Gundam hangars. Let's get it on and rock on! Alright, so once again I'm back, and finally I was able to add some detail on these foldable containers to make it look like a Gundam hangar. So as you can see, it looks more awesome now. So this is how the foldable container looks like once it's fully folded. Alright, so it's like a crate without a cover. Alright, and the thing is, you can set this up horizontally or vertically depending on the size of your fingers or gunplas. Alright, looks really awesome. And once again, what I used to detail up these foldable containers was this bunch of markers, permanent markers in red and black. Alright, and also I used a bunch of Bosnia spray paints like this number 36 silver metallic. Alright, looks really awesome. And also I used this number 1921 flat clear from Bosnia. Alright, so once again, the purpose of this paint was to eliminate the shininess of the plastic to give it a matte hobby grade finish. Alright, looks really awesome. And also I used this number 41 in yellow. Alright, looks really awesome. And also we're going to put some lighting on this Gundam hangar. So what I'm going to use was this good cheap quality bicycle signal lights that I got for less than $1 each. And also these are rechargeable by USB, so all you gotta do is put this on the top of the hangar and that will look awesome. Alright, and after this we're going to do a quick montage with Gundams inside these hangars. So what I'm going to use was my real grade Mach 2 Gundam that I have right here. Alright, looks really awesome. And also I'm going to use my masterpiece, my high grade GP02A custom. Alright, looks really awesome. And also I do have some minifigures. This is almost the same size as the G-Frame series. So this is the gun cannon right here. And also I do have this RX-78. Alright, so I think this is 1:200 scale. Alright, and also I do have this gun tank right here. Alright, really awesome. And also I do have this big Sam right here, so I'm not quite sure what is the scale of this. I think this is 1:1600 scale, which is really small because in real life the big Sam is really big. So yeah, so I think that's about it. So all we gotta do right now is do a quick montage with these hangars with Gundams inside, and that will be awesome. Alright.
Détruire tout. C'est une obligation. Détruire tout. C'est une obligation.